Assalamualaikum everyone! How are you? Nandito ako sa labas kasi I just wanna sabihin sa inyo na ang swerte-swerte ko sa asawa ko kasi sinusuportahan niya talaga ako sa lahat ng journey ko tulad ng running my online digital business. My husband is really believing at me. Kasi sobrang suporta niya sa akin talaga. All the way since talaga. Sobrang thank you talaga ako sa aking asawa. Kasi sinusuportahan niya talaga ako. And I'm doing this for my husband and for our children. So I want my husband to show every stage of growing up of my children. Because my husband is always work interested. Always work, you know, so late. Like, she have to go to work for 6 o'clock in the morning, go home at 5 o'clock in the morning. So, he don't have so much time for the kids already because by that time, matutulog na rin kami. And then, same thing, same every day. And then now, my husband is interested. It's very, broken-hearted talaga for me because I'm the mother and yung mga kids ko, they looking for their father. They will asking, Mom, where's Dad? Where's, because tawag nila sa daddy nila is Abby. Where's Abby? When Abby going home? Of course, that I said, oh, I don't know yet. Is that hearted broken talaga when your children asking for your husband, for their father. Diba? Kaya I push really hard this business so my husband can be with us every day and I'm really pray for that thing so become successful the business. So we be my husband, so my husband, alam nyo ba, mabibilang talaga sa kamay ko kung ilang beses lang talaga ng asawa ko na naglakad kaming dalawa na sunduin yung mga anak namin. Siguro wala talaga sa limang promise talaga. Wala sa 5 beses. Kasi busy nga siya sa work, wala naman akong work. So, yung asawa ko talaga, dedicated talaga yung niya, sarili niya para sa pamilya niya. So, that's why I run this business talaga para naman makasama namin yung asawa ko. I know my husband is tired already for so long. Kaya minsan, syempre, yung katawan niya, sabi niya, baby, I'm so tired of working. My body cannot cope already. Syempre, heartbroken, parang, sa feeling mo na, keep doing it, kasi ganito, ganyan, diba? So, that's why yung business ko talaga, kahit yung husband ko, pagod na pagod talaga, sinusuportahan niya talaga ako. He's my #1 supporter talaga. Talaga, sobra talaga. Kaya kami nga is made in heaven talaga. Yung asawa ko talaga, pinagpray talaga ako sa kanya. Pinagpray niya talaga ako kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala na ibigay niya ako. Diba? Ang ganda. Kaya alam mo, sobra talaga. Mahal na mahal ko yung asawa ko talaga. Nasabi ko sa kanya, pag hindi nga tumatawag yung asawa ko, alam nyo ba? Nababaliw na talaga ako. Alam nyo ba? Kaya totoo yan kaya mahal na mahal ko talaga yung asawa ko, di ba? Kaya ang ganda ng weather namin, tingnan nyo, siya, ayan lang yung konti kong ma-share sa inyo ng dahil sa aking asawa. He's my #1 supporter. Yun lang, assalamualaikum, Jasakar Kairan. Bye!